How's it going, YouTube?
What's up, everyone?
We have Hiro,
Yo,
Alvin, the superstars of the show. I know, superstars. Wearing a holy shirt.
yeah.
But I figured we're gonna be doing some. We're gonna be spraying some hinges today.
Yep,
Actually, Hiro,
for the Project G35 here. On the other episode, I mentioned that when I open the hood, it'll catch on that side more than a little bit on this side. You can see right now that the fender is lifted. Hang on while I put some gloves because this hood is hot. So if you guys just pay attention right there, when I lift this, you'll see it catching right there. And I don't like that. Supposedly this is a really common issue, and changing the hood hinges should fix this. So I'm just gonna lift it all the way. There's that hood hinge right there. We just need to
remove these and
well, the fender will have to come out a little bit, and then we should be able to get to those hood hinge bolts. But anyways, I ordered some hood hinges. They arrived. We'll take a look at them now. They come unpainted, so we're gonna need to paint them and let them dry before we put them on. So that's what we're gonna be doing today.
Yep. So we'll get that painted, looking good. Obviously, we'll have a little bit of dry time, so we'll still give them about 24 hours to dry. And once we do that,
It's so bad.
yeah, no. If you saw that, as he lifted the hood, it lifted the fender up because he pushed it past it, and so
I had to push it back down, but it's all wrinkly now, so we're gonna have to fix that later.
yeah.
I'm not too concerned about that right now, but I'm just more concerned about the hood catching that fender every time. I just don't want that, especially when I'm trying to check the oil, because you know the rev up models.
You know him. He just wants to say he's revving it high.
Yeah.
He's like, I'm enjoying it.
All the way to red
All
light.
right, well, we'll show you what hinges we got right now. Actually,
right.
let's snap our fingers. Wait,
Wait, hold on. You got
wait.
1, 2, 3. Where you at, Alvin? Oh, dude, he overshot.
Wait, how did I get in here?
Oh, he overshot.
Going
he
on?
overshot the transport.
Okay, we're still learning that, guys.
Yeah, it's
I don't know what happened.
because, like, you know, the other episode last time we clicked the fingers, it transported us but not the wheels.
Yep.
So yeah, so we're still working on it. We'll perfect
But
it.
again, I get like super tired and sweaty every time we do that. I don't know what's going on. It's like we're actually working.
Yeah, I don't know what that's about. All right, so here's the hinges, brand new from Infiniti here. Hood hinge. There's two different part numbers, one for the left, one for the right. 65401, 65400. Yeah, so one is left, one is right. So we're gonna be painting both hinges, and I think this is coated with something. Maybe it's to prevent rust.
Yep.
But we're gonna paint it anyways, the body color. So yeah, we're gonna get to that.
Yep. So actually, what we'll be using a couple things here. We're going to be using etching primer, and that will pretty much help for the lacquer. Black lacquer paint to stick to the actual material, just because this does have some coating on it. So the etching primer will help the paint actually attach to the piece. Right now, what we are going to have to do though is we're going to take some 180 sandpaper. Obviously, I have brown sandpaper, but we're just going to literally fold it in half, and we're going to just kind of scuff sand each one here. And then we'll get to the painting.
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's it's day 2. We Alvin's here. We got the hinges painted right there. We got the hood up. We're gonna be working on the G, change these hinges. So again, just want to show you where it's hitting. You could see it right now. It's scratching it, and I don't like that. Oh, it's bending it, yeah. So tools for today, I have right here short 10mm socket, 12mm socket, a deep 12mm socket, little extension and a longer extension just in case, and ratchet wrenches, 10mm, and another one just in case, and of course the ratchets themselves. So should be pretty easy. We're just gonna kind of figure it out on along the way as well. So yeah, stay tuned. Man, this hood is light. So you guys, the fender has a tab that sticks out. When you pull it out, it actually tags the door. So we're just gonna put a little blue painter's tape just along there, just so it doesn't scratch the paint off.
And what we can do is we can show you with the ear cleaner on how to touch up paint if you accidentally scratched it. Here, hold on, I didn't get mine. So just so you guys know, there's going to be like a little bolt pattern because where they were put together. It's sat there for so long, you'll kind of see the outline. When you have to pull these bolts out to pull the fender back a little bit, you're going to want to try to make sure that they go back in the same place, just so the headlights stay as true as possible.
Pull the fender back. All right. All right. Straight down. Okay, hold on. Prop?
Yep.
I got it. Hold on. I got it. Okay.
Sit down.
There we go.
There we go. Sit back a bit.
Alright. See what Alvin did there? Pulled the fender back a little bit to clear that corner there with the even gap all the way across. It's not exactly the original spot where it was tightened before. You could see that it was you could see, yeah, actually we could show you.
So it was hitting here, so we had to lift this and match this line here. And so by doing that, it moved the spot of where we originally had it.
Yeah,
you kind of see it.
that's
like almost 4 millimeters.
4 millimeters, yeah. So that's the original line, and then we moved it.
Weird because it's, let's see the door now. The door doesn't hit. The door gap looks good.
Yeah. Yeah. Open the door all the way. Oh, actually, it wouldn't matter. Huh? If you open it all the way, it should be clear. Yeah. Okay. All right. So, so we're just gonna button stuff down on this side now. So right now, Alvin's trying to fix where the fender bent up. It actually created a crease. It made where the line would come out. It would have a little bump there. So he's trying to knock that flat so everything will be as straight as possible so the hood eventually won't catch on it again.
Right now we're using lacquer black paint, and then we're using a Q-tip, and you're just pretty much dipping a little bit and then tapping on the actual chip paint. So like on the nose here, I don't know if you guys can really see it, but I'm gonna just tap it right on there, and boom. So no more chip, no more chip. Try it again. Let's see. That's when I saw the other ones.
Which finger? Woo! Alright, you guys. The hood is done. The hinges are on. The hood lined up perfectly. Alvin did a great job just making everything line up correctly. And, you know, just a touch up, so it's looking good. I'm really happy. Hopefully you guys learned something. If you guys have any questions, make sure to leave that in the comments below. If you guys like this video, make sure hit that like, smash that like, smash that like.
Smash.
And then over here, hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already.
Send the subscribe button.
Oh yeah, here's the subscribe button. But yeah, I'm happy. You got anything to say?
No, just like I said, we just did pretty much 2 things today. Replaced the hood, actually 3. Replaced the hood hinges, lined up everything, and just touch up paint. Definitely make sure, like we did here, run the tape there so you don't mark up the door. Yeah. Because right when you pull the fender out, the little lip, the first part where the bolt kind of goes in between, will want to flip out past this and it'll chip your paint. Also, I'm just trying to think. I think every bolt on top had to come out, so just don't forget every bolt has to come out.
Yeah. Just
don't try to let it get that bad like that other fender over there.
Yeah.
You know, change those hood hinges beforehand.
Yeah. As soon as it starts catching, just change it because it's gonna get really bad.
Yeah.
It's gonna get wrinkly. Like
and so we didn't do that. That's how it came.
Yeah, that's how we bought the car.
So, but it's just you know, it happens.
All right. So little by little, this car's gonna get better. So thanks for watching, guys.
Woo! See you later. Deuce. Run.